Okay, so now that we have talked about the string, let's talk about the numbers. Okay, so in Python, I have showed you before, we can declare any number in decimal number system. Just like here, I am declaring x, and the number is obviously in decimal number system. So we can also write these numbers in hexadecimal, and so let's convert this number into binary number. Right? X is equal to 0b. Okay, 0b, and that's the notation which will tell the Python interpreter that we are changing decimal number into binary. So here I am writing 10. So here the value of x will be 2. Why? Because 1 0 in binary means 2 in decimal number. Okay, so let's print the values of x and let's run this program. Here you can see 2. Okay, so 2 in binary actually refers to 10 in decimal number system. So let's see for 100. So let's run this program one more time, and for 100 it's 4. Okay, so now let's convert any decimal value into hexadecimal. So to do so, I'll write 0 and x in case of hexadecimal, and in case of binary we'll write 0b. Okay, so let's convert 12c into decimal number system. So let's run this program, and here you can see 300. That means 12c, which is in hexadecimal, its actual value in decimal number system is 300. Okay, and we can also use complex numbers in Python. So the general expression for complex number is a plus bi. I stands for iota, which is an imaginary number, and a is actually the real number. So how can we define a complex number in Python? So before doing this, let me tell you that you will never use these concepts in building web applications. So if you are a mathematician and you want to use Python for your mathematical work, then you can kick off with these sort of expressions. So here, how can we represent a complex number in Python? So here I'll write x is equal to 1. So let's see here, x is equal to 1, which is a real number, plus 2j. Okay, what the j represents? The j represents the iota, which is for representing the imaginary number. So here 1 is the real number and 2j is the imaginary number. So let's print this and let's see what we get. We get a complex number which value is 1 plus 2j. Okay, we can write uppercase or lowercase j, it doesn't matter. In both cases we got the same answer.